Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Chrome search. And in today's video, I will show you on how to search for specific something in Google using Google search operator. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Google Chrome. Open up your Chrome browser. Then after you open up your Chrome browser, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and come to search Google or type right here. Click on here now. Next thing you want to do is to type the name of the site. For instance, I'm going to type in Jumia. Okay. Then what exactly you are looking for in this particular website? Enter the name of what you are looking for. So I'm going to type in capital letter Jumia and Techno. Then I will type in and again in capital letter, looking for another product in this site. So I'm going to go ahead and type in Nexus. Then I'll hit on search. And in a few seconds, we are going to see a similar result based on what exactly we type right here. So you can see right here, we have Nexus Online, Nexus Electronic Store, Nexus Store. The more you scroll down, the more we see the exact match. You can see Nexus Fridge. So from the search result page right here, everything right here is all about Jumia and Nexus. And at the same time, you can check on the detail from the show more right here. This will give you a detailed breakdown based on what you are searching for. You can see Techno Mobile on Jumia. So these are the links right here that we can follow to get that particular product. Scroll down right here, you see more Nexus Fridge. Swipe this way and see more right here. Now let's say for instance you are looking at another thing. So click on here to close that tab. Then come back right here. We can change it from Jumia to another site. So come back to the beginning right here. This Jumia as a website. We can go ahead and type in Konga. Konga is another website. Then make sure you indicate the rest format. Click on search and you're going to get the results based on the title you type in right here and the subject matter, which is Konga. So you can see right here, buy phones, fashion electronics, etc. The more you scroll down, the more things is going to be loading up right here. Let's say for instance you want to text on another site, so go ahead and come back right here. So this time around is going to be another website. So I'm going to go ahead and check on Neraland and job vacancy. And celebrity. Then hit search. Here we go. Now you can see the result right here. All the result we have right here is going to be based on Neraland and the keyword we enter. So you can see different posts about job vacancy right here, different posts about celebrity right here, and everything is directly from Neraland. The more you scroll down, the more you see details. So you can come to the show more right here. This will allow you to see more details as far as this is concerned. So here we go, just like what you see right here. So it's going to give you specific detail and the specific information about the keyword you enter. You can see right here that they are only telling us about Neraland.com job vacancy and Neraland.com celebrity, as the case may be. Swipe and more, you see everything about the particular website and exactly what you are looking for. The more you scroll down, the more you see details right here. So if there is more, then you want to make sure you click on more search results right here, and it's going to load, and then you can see everything here has to do with Neraland.com, with recruitment, job vacancy, etc. Go ahead and click on more search results right here, and then you still see more, and everything here is all about job vacancy posted directly on Nairaland. The more you scroll down, so if you want to continue, just go ahead and click on show more, and the likes of the images alongside with it, so you can see everything are coming directly from Nairaland.com forum right here. It's that simple. It's that simple. So this is how to use Google Search Operator to search for specific information in Google. For more useful tutorial like this on how to search on Google, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.